In a world where every burger claims to be the best, there exists a culinary creation that truly stands apart, much like a scene from a traveller's most cherished memory. Imagine a burger that whispers tales of distant lands, embodying a fusion of flavours so profound, it's like a love letter to the very essence of exploration. This isn't just any burger, it's a masterpiece crafted with the precision of a seasoned traveller who knows the value of every spice and the importance of every texture. The bun, golden and slightly crisp, acts as the perfect canvas, embracing the patty like the sky-cradled stars. The meat, a blend of the finest cuts, is seasoned to perfection, creating a melody of flavours that dances across the palate, reminiscent of a beautiful, unexpected encounter on a distant journey. With each bite, a symphony of taste unfolds. From the tangy zip of artisanal cheese to the rich, earthy undertones of a secret sauce that's as enigmatic as a hidden alley in a foreign city. Iceberg lettuce and tomato, fresh as a dewy morning in a new land, add a crispiness that balances the richness, invoking a sense of nostalgia and longing for places yet explored. This burger is more than a meal, it's a journey, a narrative wrapped in a bun, offering not just sustenance, but a moment of reflection. A reminder of the beauty that exists in the blend of cultures and the joy of discovering the unknown. Forget about smash burgers. Truly, this is the best burger ever. Not just for its taste, but for the stories it tells and the dreams it inspires.
Yeah? Oh, okay. So it's basically spent the last couple of days floating around the mountain. saying that if you're a regular purveyor of McDonald's food and think of biscuits, whatever you got, like, seriously, yeah.
What for biscuits? Just open one. Ah!